What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back. In today's video we are checking out the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. I've also had the first Mi Band, the second one and the third one, and I believe that the second one was a big step up from the first one, but the third one wasn't that great in my opinion. However, they were all extremely popular, and I believe that the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 will also be extremely popular. Not to mention that now we have a larger screen, we have a 0.95 inches AMOLED screen, which is also a colored screen, and the price is fairly low, so you can find this for between $30 to $50, so very affordable. And with that being said, let's get this box open and set this up. Alright, so this time around we get a different looking box. On the front of the box we see a picture of the band itself, and then we see the number 4, and turning the box around we can see some of the specifications. However, this model that I have is the Chinese version, but it shouldn't matter because as soon as you connect this to your phone, this will switch to English, so it shouldn't matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the band out. So we open the box. In here we have the user manual. But as I said before, this is the Chinese version, therefore everything in the user manual will be in Chinese, but it's very simple to pair, and I'll actually show you how to do that as well. This is the power adapter or the charger. You basically plug this into any phone charger and then you'd plug in the band in here, but I'm going to show you how to do that. And this is also a bit different than the charger that we had on the Mi Band 3. So the band itself looks very similar to the Mi Band 3. I mean, it's kind of the same size. The strap here is made out of rubber, but it looks very similar to the strap that we had on the Mi Band 3. To open this, you basically pull on it, and to close it, you just push this closed. So that's simple. To take out the band, you basically do this and you pull out the band. So very simple, and you can actually buy other straps, different colored straps, and you can use those as well. The band itself is made out of plastic, so just like the Mi Band 3, here we have the pins for the charger. So to charge this, you basically place it like this, and then you plug this in, and then it charges. And on one charge you should be able to get about 20 days, but we'll have to see. I'll have to use this for a bit and see how long I actually get on one charge. Here we have the heart rate monitor, and that's the Mi logo right there, and this is the serial number of the band. So very simple. And it seems that the screen is covered by glass, and I believe that's better than the Mi Band 3, because if I remember right, that one had the screen covered by plastic, but with this one it seems that we get glass, which is great. So to pair this with your phone, you're gonna need to install the Mi Fit app either on your Android device or on your iPhone, and you can find the app in the Play Store or the iOS store. And the pairing process is extremely simple. Most of the time you're probably gonna have to charge the band before you do anything, because sometimes it comes and there is no power, so definitely charge the band before pairing it up. And as I said, the pairing process is super simple. You just open the Mi Fit app. You do need an account, a Xiaomi account. I had one before, and once you set that account up, you can basically add the band, and it takes about less than a minute to set it up. And once the setup is done, you can also do an update, and most likely your band is gonna get an update as soon as you set it up. Once you're done with the pairing process, you have access to all the settings right from your phone, so you don't actually have to do anything on the band if you don't want to. You can change the watch faces, and there are a bunch of watch faces that you can choose from, and definitely way more than I used to have on the Mi Band 3. And I believe that you can change some of those from the band itself, and I'm sure that you're gonna be able to find a bunch of watch faces online. You can have the band to receive notifications. Me personally, I never set the band to receive notifications because I just don't want the vibrations, constant vibrations, but it's definitely up to you if you want to do that. You can also have the heart rate monitor to monitor your heart rate 24/7, which is definitely great because a lot of smartwatches don't have that option, but with this one you can definitely do that. So you'd go here, you turn this on basically, and you have a bunch of options right here. So very simple to do so. So let's check out the band itself. I'll put the phone down for a bit. Alright, so if you touch this button here, you basically wake up the band, and then you can swipe on the screen. So we have more, we have the notifications. So if you have the notifications set up, you can press on this so you can see the weather, then you press this again and you go back. You can select different workouts, but keep in mind that the band doesn't actually have a GPS unit inside, so you'll have to keep that in mind. You can also check your heart rate every time you want to. You can press on status if you want. So let's go back there and press on it. So you can see how many steps you've done for that particular day, the distance, the calories and so on. But I've just set this up not too long ago, so obviously there aren't that many steps. You press that button again and you go back, and you're back to your home screen. And you can also change those watch faces as I showed you earlier from the phone, or you can go to more. And I believe that you can change the band. See, yeah, so you can change the watch faces right from the band, but you don't have that many watch faces available on the band. So if you want more watch faces, you definitely need to do it through the app. So we'll go through more. So we'll select this one because I like this one the most. What other settings do we have here? The lock screen, the brightness. So let's check out the brightness. Oh, so it gets fairly bright. I'm very curious to see how this actually looks outside. I'm gonna take it outside, but I'll let you know in the full review in a few days after I get a chance to actually use this a bit more. So I'm gonna get my phone here for a second, and I'm gonna select a different watch face. Let's select this one, sync watch face. So once this is done, so you can see it syncing right there. And then we're gonna have that watch face on the band, and I see that this one has been downloaded 6,700 times already. So it's done. So as you can probably see, it's right here on the band. So very simple to sync up different watch faces. So there you have it. This is the Mi Band 4, definitely an improvement from the Mi Band 3, and if you can get this for between $30 to $50, I don't think it's that much. Not to mention that it looks quite good on your arm as well. Alright guys, I'll try to do a review in the next week or so after I get a chance to use it, but so far I do like the Mi Band 4 more than I used to like the other one, the Mi Band 3. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to press that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.